Hi everyone, I'm Marlon and this is Life in Frames, where I explore the arts of photography and videography in the age of AI. Today I'm showing you how I use AI to help take my product shots to the next level. So if you're ready, let's go. Ever heard of Adobe's Generative AI? What about Topaz Labs Photo A.I? These tools have completely changed my approach to product photography. But that doesn't mean I can forget the basics. Lighting is everything in photography. I don't want reflections and distractions in my product images, which is where this new Neewer Light Tent comes in. It's perfect for my small home studio setup. Now, let's dive into my workflow. I normally take 2 shots of the product with different lighting setups and blend them later in Photoshop. Next, I remove distractions, tweak and refine the image, which sets the stage for the magic of generative AI backgrounds in Photoshop. It's like having a million different locations at your fingertips. For my last step, I import the image into Lightroom for the final touches, where I enhance specific areas to add depth and realism. It's the secret sauce to a pro finish. Talking about sauces, a massive thanks to our star product, Spicy Rice Hot Sauce. Whether you like your flavors mild or wild, they've got a sauce for you. So people, what do you think of the results? Links to all the products are in the description below. As always, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tips. Until next time, see you later, and as always, thanks for watching.